Welcome back, second graders and parents. We're back here. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 4, Lesson 17. We're still working on subtraction. I want to thank all you that hit that subscribe button, though, real quick. Thank you. My numbers are getting higher. My class is getting excited for potentially getting a reward when we hit 250. It's not more a reward. It's a celebration that the math we're learning, that other people are learning, and they're excited because subscribers are growing, which means we're helping more people. Trust me, the stuff I do with you guys is stuff that we do in my class to try to make sure everyone gets it. And sometimes they show me a different way of looking at it. So they're helping as much as I am. All right, back to today. Said we're on pages 85 and 86 today. All right, let's look at the first one. It says find the difference. Well, the difference means we're subtracting. Use a place value drawing and vertical form. So place value like this, vertical like this. Again, parents, if you're out there, pay attention. This one helps. So we got hundreds, tens, and ones. In our vertical form, we'll do over here, we have 564 minus, make that 6 a little better, 391. I'm sitting off to the side for some weird reason today, and apparently that's causing me not to be able to write. There we go. Remember, students, your numbers need to be nice and straight, right? Just like over here, it's the same thing. Same thing. There's no difference. All right, so we need to put 564 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's gone, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone. All right, now we need to subtract 391. All right, so we need to take away 1, 1. Remember, we always have to start in the ones place. So get rid of 1, 1. That leaves us with 3. Over here, 4 minus 1 is 3. All right, gone. 9 tens we need to get rid of. Remember, because here's how this breaks down too. Same thing. So we need to get rid of 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have enough. So we're going to go next door and get 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over here, we cannot subtract. If you have 6, you can't take 9 away. You cannot subtract up. The answer to this is not 3. You can't do that. So you need to do the same thing. You got to go next door. That makes this a 4 now. And that's going to turn this 16 when we put a 1 in front of it because we're bringing 100 down. Even though it's only a 1 in front of it, this is 100. We're bringing down to the tens. So we're showing that it's 10 tens we brought down. So now we have 16 minus 9. So over here, we have, if we count now, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we need to take 9 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left. 16 minus 9, 7. Now over here, we need to take away 3. And we have 4. So 1, 2, 3. At least it's 1. Over here, we have 4 minus 3, which is 1. 173, 173. So our answer is 173. We got in 2 spots. We know that's right. All right. Anne finds that 853 minus 647 is 216. But this says Anne made a mistake. So we need to look and figure out where Anne made a mistake. So make sure you got this number right first. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, that's good. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it helps, draw these. There's nothing wrong with doing that because then it shows you ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. We got our 5 tens. That's good. Our ones, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're good there. We set this up here. So when we're going, now we have to take away 7 ones. It looks like there wasn't enough. So look at, we crossed out, brought over 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. Took away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. That's right. All right, now we need to take away 4 from 5. So we need to take away 4. 1, 2. She only took away 2 here. We got to take away 4. The answer's right here, but they didn't take them away there. That's not good. So, yep, we're at 0 here. We can agree with that. So now we have 8, and we need to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2. All right. So we have 206 here. Over here, we don't have 206. We have 216. Do you see the problem? Well, if I'm looking at this, I see there's a 13 here. How did I get 13? I had 3. How did I magically get 13? Oh, I went next door and borrowed 10 more, but I didn't change this. Or actually, Anne didn't change this. It wasn't me. So what mistake did Anne make? She forgot to show that she borrowed or blew up a 10 to make more 1s. So write that in here. Show the correct work. I kind of fixed it right here already for you, but the answer's still not right. Well, look at the back. The back says add 2 ways. So you got to add this up 2 ways. You could break it apart if you want. You could do a place value chart over here and standard algorithm, stack it on top of each other. Old people math, they're all the same over here. Whichever 2 ways you want for that. Bottom, number 4 says, write the name of each polygon. Use the word bank. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 names. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Do the shapes you know first. Get those done. Okay? Get those done, and then try to remember what the other ones might be to help yourselves out. I'm not helping with this one. You got to figure this one out on your own, because knowing these is important as we get further and further in math. All right, guys. That's it for lesson 17. I'll see you in a little bit for lesson 18. But I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 4, lesson 17, on pages 85 and 86. And as always,